Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday, March 12th. If you were enjoying yesterday's relief rally, I hope you buckled up because the Trump pivot just hit a reality wall. Overnight, oil prices did a complete 180, surging over 5%, as traders realized that a tweet doesn't magically clear the Strait of Hormuz. We're looking at a cautious start for the ASX 200 today, with SPI futures pointing to a 49-point drop at the open. It's a messy morning, so let's break down where the money is actually moving. First up, the big picture. We just got a fresh look from the IMF, and while they've handed Australia a decent 2.1% GDP growth forecast for 2026, the RBA is playing the villain. Governor Michelle Bullock warned that energy inflation is stickier than a toddler with honey, even with the G7 trying to flood the market with 400 million barrels of strategic reserves. The RBA is still staring down a 3.8% headline inflation rate. CBA economists are now calling next Tuesday's meeting, March 17th, a lively debate. The market is currently pricing in a 40% chance of a hike, so keep that higher for longer cap on. On the corporate front, Collins Foods, ASX, CKF, is one to watch. They've just announced a massive expansion into Germany, picking up 8 KFC restaurants in Bavaria. Their Aussie sales are also holding up well, up 3.2% in the second half. But the real fireworks are in Lynas Rare Earths, ASX, LYC. Bell Potter just scrapped their sell rating, upgrading them to a hold with a $19 target. Between the Japan deal and the new $1 billion joint US-Australia funding for critical minerals, Lynas is finally stepping out of the doghouse. It's all about de-risking from China right now, and Lynas is the Western world's favorite child. Also, keep your eyes on the juniors. Brazilian Rare Earths, BRE, and Meteoric Resources, MEI, are seeing huge volume. The US and Australia just greenlit a massive funding package to bypass China's supply chain. In a world of blocked oil, sovereign minerals are the new gold. If you aren't watching the REE heat map today, you're missing the biggest trade on the board. Commodities are a tale of two cities today. Gold is the absolute king of the board, trading near record highs around US $5,109 as a geopolitical hedge. Iron ore, however, is having a rough time, hitting a 28-week low near US 99. That's going to put a dampener on the big miners like BHP and Rio Tinto today. And of course, crude oil is back with a vengeance. Brent is up near US $92 and WTI at US 87. Expect Santos and Beach Energy to be the rare green spots in a sea of red this morning. Bottom line for today, the energy sector is your hedge, gold is your shield, and iron ore is your anchor. Watch the 8,700 level on the ASX 200. If we break below that, it could be a long slide to the weekend. Stay sharp, and I'll see you at the closing bell.